Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to see a company called Lumax Beta. It is a company in Quebec. The people who are searching jobs for Quebec, here is the right job for you. And they have many openings for this in this company. And available positions are the coordinator, accounts director, and project manager. And in this video especially, I'm going to show you the project manager position. They have only little amount of experience they require, but the pushing is quite big, but the experience is great. And so in this video, I'm going to show for the project manager in Quebec location. And for tomorrow's video, I'm going to show coordinator position, the job position which is given here. In tomorrow's video, you can able to see the same. It is also available on the same company on Quebec location as well. So if you are interested, please stay tuned.
For latest update, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. In our channel, I do upload tons of new videos regarding immigration process, job post, and new latest update about immigration for countries like Canada, UK, Australia to save your valuable money. And but don't forget to please share, like, and comments me below. To love to hear from you. And now I'm going to have a new announcement for our viewers. Finally, now we are stepping into a social media Instagram platform. Please follow that too for latest update. I will be updating in that too, and we'll have a interaction each other and share our thoughts with the people and in order to help them, and the link is in the description box below.
Okay, now I have given this job link is in the description box below. After ending this video, you can able to click that link and just if you are interested for the suitable role, you can start applying. And this is a digital marketing company, and for digital marketing related experience if you have, you can go ahead and start applying for this project manager. And it is in Sherbrooke, QC, that is in Quebec. And this is a job description. You can have a walkthrough while applying. And now we'll see the skill set and the requirement. What are the things they required, and most importantly, they have huge benefits. I will explain you in upcoming in upcoming time. Okay. Now we'll see a skill set. The master of MS Office suite of software like Excel, Word, PowerPoint. This basic need to have ability to communicate with the clients in a proactive, collaborate, and professional manner, and autonomous and methodologically, multiple task management and team spirit and attention to details. Now we'll see the requirement. What are the requirement in which basis they are recruiting for this profile? You need to have a bachelor's of communication or marketing, or else you need to have a bachelor of science with a certificate in marketing. If you have, you can go ahead. The people who are searching for marketing jobs, please suggest them. Please share this video there so that they can apply for this job. If there are anybody new American immigrant has landed in Canada, let them start applying for this. Now we'll see they required experience only 2 to 3 years. As I've said before, only 2 to 3 years. Most probably, this is a very much interesting in this video about the experience for this profile. So if you have 2 to 3 years of experience in advertising agency and related to marketing industry, you can start applying. Experience working on both prescription HCP and consumer TC DTC brands, including digital TV and radio campaign management. And you should have interest in science. And the language is required here is French and English, and oral and written is required. So people who are strong command in English and French, you can go ahead. And now we'll see the main responsibility. What are the things you need to take over after you got selected? Client management. First thing, you need to have a client management, and they have segregated into internal management. In client management, you just have a walkthrough in this. meet with client to receive briefings, ensure the efficiency and personalized follow-up of clients, create budget estimates and explain and confirm proposed concept modification or changes. In internal management, we'll see they need to have a proper internal content briefing for creativity team and then participate in the strategic planning of brands under his responsibility. Submit project to regular agency for approval and then supervise content developer and ensure correction have been applied and ensure the deadlines are met throughout the implementation phase of various projects. Supervise the work of coordinators and help establish their priorities. Now we'll see what are the benefits they are giving. Other benefits. Office in beautiful backdrop of Sheikh and currently 100%. They have a competitive compensation they are giving. Group insurance with 50% of coverage provided by employer. A flexible 3.5 hours work work week schedule and possibility of going skilling up at 5 p.m. on Tuesday night. Repromotion of annual amount for physical activity, possible contribution to a VRS SAP, and human company a young, dynamic and real nice team, and satisfaction of not losing 2 hours in traffic morning and night. So this is how guys. If you're interested for this, if you are suitable roles and responsibility for this, please start applying right away. And you can find this button over here. Submit your CV. If you have your CV, you can submit over here also. And the link is in the description box below. Don't forget it. And I will posting you the next video of the same company for Quebec coordinator. They have no experience at all. Freshers can also apply and I will walk you through for tomorrow's video. Let Till that, stay tuned with me. Don't forget to share this video. Please give a thumbs up and comment me below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.